It's the Weather Xtreme video. It's the morning edition. This is for Thursday, May 28th. I'm James Spann. A moist air mass will stick around for the foreseeable future. That means some risk of showers and storms each day. But then again, that's kind of what happens here in the summertime. Let's take a look at things. It's the water vapor satellite view. Moist air across the deep south. Main dynamic forcing remains north and west of here. That was the radar early this morning at 5:11. We had a little bit of patchy light rain from about Cullman up to Huntsville and Lake Gunnersville. Other than that, the state is dry as the day begins. Off to the west, another flash flood watch for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. And by the way, the pattern's going to flip a little bit there. They'll be drier next week, which is good news for our friends there. Severe weather possibilities. Look up there in the northeast United States. All of Maine in a standard slight risk. That's a sign we're getting into the summer season here. And to the west, a standard slight risk of severe weather for parts of West Texas and points north. Tomorrow, a marginal risk from Texas to the Great Lakes. And on day 3, marginal risk over northwest Alabama. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. And as I often mention this time of the year, these maps not as useful as they are in the cooler season because every day the storms are scattered and some people might get 2 inches and some people might get nothing. Kind of a hit and miss thing. But overall, about 1 inch. Some folks last night had nearly 2 inches. We had some pretty serious flooding up in Russellville in Franklin County. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock. Again, troughing over the western states around the Rockies. We have broad ridging here, although there is a weakness here across Alabama in that 588 ridge. And again, today we'll probably see more showers and storms cranking up this afternoon. I don't think it will be as widespread as yesterday, but no doubt some folks could see a heavy downpour. This is the HRRR today at 4 o'clock. Showing quite a few showers and storms about. So main window for rain about 2 to 8 p.m., much like yesterday. Tomorrow, new day, old forecast, warm, humid. Scattered showers and storms around, mostly afternoon and evening. And again, the showers should be a little fewer in number tomorrow, and we creep up toward the mid-80s. And that'll be the case for the weekend. This is Saturday, scattered mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. Otherwise, partly sunny with mid-80s. And the exact same thing on Sunday. Monday of next week, there's just nothing to sweep out the moisture. So a mix of sun and clouds with a few showers and storms around. It'll be the theme for next week. There's Tuesday. Wednesday of next week, still soupy. And a week from today, this is Thursday, June 4th. Heights a little below average here. And, hey, got evidence of some tropical action down there in the Gulf, maybe a little tropical low near Tampa Bay. And typically, if we see action early in the season, it is in the backyard in the Gulf of Mexico, not the deep tropics. That comes later in the season. And the pattern might favor something like that. So we'll keep an eye on things there. And also, we note a tropical storm in the eastern Pacific, southwest of Baja California, that's moving over the open water. A couple of days later, this is Saturday, June 6th. Heights a little below average here. And again, there's no reason to change the forecast. It's a persistence forecast in a pattern like this. Temperatures for the next 15 days, highs should be mostly in the 80s, lows 65 to 70. That goes through June 12th. And anomalies coming off the CPC Outlook Climate Prediction Center. The above-average temperatures for the northeast and the western states, below average over Texas. And around here, things look pretty routine for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. And if you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.